I got bitches with me wild. I met a bitch in Bali. I met a bitch in Dallas. Now she work at Magic. Make a bitch move to the city, nigga. I got ball status. Da Vinci on my sweater, bitch. I'm way above average. Rolex on me on TikTok. Savage rock around with the big block. I'm a real gangster, I don't shit talk. Slaughter gang, nigga love to kill. All my pieces flooded. All my drinks come muddy.
Alright, so boom. Yeah, I'm down here fucking with this damn car. Been sitting at Sky House for like a week. This top right here shredded. Y'all know this one right here don't hold no air. So I'm gonna take that one off, get it to the shop. So we get this car up out of here. I ain't even filmed last time because I was just on the highway. And then I ran over some shit. And I heard my tire slinging in the back. So I actually ain't even looked at it since it happened. So hopefully we ain't got nothing going on. But this is gonna be a short vlog showing y'all. It's a show coming up next week. So I'm gonna prep this for the show for real. So I get the tire off, and then once we get in the back of the truck, we get to the shop, I pick the camera back up. I just wanted to show y'all what I got going on, why I ain't even been on TikTok or nothing, cause I ain't been fucking with this car, man. But I'll be back in a minute when we get the wheel up. Alright, so right here, and that ain't right here the whole shit for real. This is what was smacking underneath the car right here. Damn. Yeah, so this is the same tire I had on the back in Florida, so yep, they got the wheel back there. I'm gonna go with the lente on this one too. That's what's on the front right now, so I still got that Lexana on the driver's side. I'm gonna go ahead and do that too, cause this shit over with. So let me get this bit back on, and then get it home, and then shit. I don't even know if I'm gonna close out this vlog because I got a car show prep for next week. So I'll probably just really include that all in the same vlog, but that's what's going on with the tire. So we'll be back on the road in a little bit. Alright, y'all, we got that boy Mr. Scarface back. Gold mouth dog, he back. Scarface Wick, that man back, man. There in the front. Got that thing on the back, 0 damage. The lip ain't get damaged, and then it's only like a couple little scratches on the wheel with everything. Like, not even enough to like stay there, so cool. Everything back cool, it's starting right back up, they have to jump it off. We good. We good. Got that gold mouth dog, he back. Been sitting out here for 2 weeks, dog. So yeah, I'm gonna take it to the crib. That pretty much gonna be it for this one, because I'm pretty much prepping for the show. So shit, after I get that bit right for the show, we'll probably pop back and add these little clips in, but you already know we got Mr. Tank over here. We got her little head ahead in the job. See, hold up. Hey, bro, you know what you're doing? Huh? You know what you're doing? We got her little acorn head there. Hold on, let me put that bit in snow mode for her, y'all. She might hit the gas too motherfucking hard. Alright. Hey, look.
I'm following you. Don't get up on this freeway jumping off.
I'm not. Listen, pep talk. Like, I got pep talk on the camera in front of the people. Okay, hold on, I got. Look, it only gonna take your big toe to get this bitch moving. Do not hit this motherfucker too hard. Do not let that supercharger start whining and make you go fast. It's only gonna do what you tell it to do. The brakes, they good brakes. You ain't gotta hit them hoes too hard. Don't hit your neck too full. Just follow me. I trust your driving. Just follow me.
Okay.
All right. Okay. We good?
Yeah.
Okay. And just pay attention to your phone in case I need you like block traffic or something. Huh? Turn it off D&D? I will, yeah. If I need you, I'll call you to block traffic or something. Alright. Alright, y'all. We got Mr. Scarface back home. Finally. Little Miss Little BBL did a good job. I ain't hit a single curb. And she didn't even get too close to the bumper. You might be alright. You might be alright. I'm finna park this and then I'll let y'all close this vlog out. Wait a minute, and she put the seat back. You tried to scoot it back for me? Y'all look how high she's sitting up.
Diamonds on me fleeking. Bad bitch with me freaking. Fuck that bitch this evening. Fuck that bitch, then leave her. 21 Savage don't need you. Dog nigga hoe mistreat her. 2 cell phones, sell dope, no beeper. Keep my mouth closed, I don't know those people. Sold out shows, ain't no more of those bleachers. Fuck these rap niggas, ain't no more of those features. I'm a million now, I'm screaming, fuck my old teacher. I got a slice, of the pie, Pockets full, yours light, Bitch, you thirsty, I got ice, Free my dog, he got life, Let your bitch go.